Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have something new and exciting, and it is our newest HydroInterior ceramic interior quick detailer. That's right, we've taken all the properties that you guys know and love about ceramic and fused it with a quick detailing formula for the inside of your car, making it the most versatile and easy to use product to maintain your interior. One of the biggest benefits of having a product like HydroInterior on your surface is that it actually has self-cleaning properties that make your interior surfaces less prone to, attracting dust. If you're like me and you love rolling around with the windows down, this is gonna be a huge benefit for you guys because it's gonna allow less dust to cling onto the surface of your ride, which means that your interior stays cleaner for longer. HydroInterior is super easy to use. All you have to do is simply spray it onto a microfiber towel, wipe down the surface, and enjoy the hassle-free ceramic results on your interior. There's no extensive, prep required. It's literally just spray and wipe kind of solution. If your interior does happen to be on the filthier side, say if you have a much filthier car, you're working on a vehicle that's, more than 20 years old, then you may want to go with the products such as Nonsense All-Purpose Cleaner in combination with a boar's hair brush to achieve that deep clean, and then you can use a product like HydroInterior as far as maintenance. So you can use this afterwards after you've given it a deep clean to give it that nice little layer of ceramic protection. And the great thing about HydroInterior is that it actually leaves a nice little OEM matte finish to just kind of give your interior surface just that nice original new car look. All right guys, so with all that being said, let's actually get into it and use it on this interior. All right guys, so we're gonna start off right here at the door panel, but before we begin, I do wanna say that this product was designed under the assumption that your interior needs a light cleaning. So like I mentioned once before, if your interior is very filthy, go with the Nonsense and the boar's hair brush, get that deep clean, and then use a product like HydroInterior to maintain. On this interior, it's not so bad. It has a light little layer of dust alongst this portion of the door panel, and then you also have some fingerprints, some body oils along the armrest as well, and on the door handle as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to use HydroInterior. So first things first, I do not recommend spraying directly onto the surface. Why? Because then you're gonna get overspray all over the place. So the best way we recommend using it is getting your bottle, spraying it directly onto your towel. Now I like getting about 3 sprays in there, and then setting down your product and simply wiping down the surface. Now whenever you're wiping down the surface, all you want to do is give it a light little wipe down. You don't have to go crazy. You don't have to agitate it with the brush. This product, like I mentioned, it's under the assumption that, your interior is not so bad. Now, when it comes to these door panels, you definitely do want to have some ceramic protection because as you guys can imagine, your car is parked outside all day. It's constantly getting beat by those harsh UV rays, and especially towards these top parts in time, if you have your car parked outside all the time, then these are going to be the first areas that get faded, dry, cracked. So, on older cars, you may see these areas kind of, faded, cracked, and dried. Well, when you have a product like HydroInterior and you maintain it properly, then you're not going to have to worry about that. It's super easy to use. It's not crazy as far as application, and you can wipe down all these little things from the surface of your door panel. You can actually use HydroInterior on not only just door panels and dashboards, you can also use it on a variety of surfaces, including plastics, painted plastics, vinyl, imitation leather, plastic vinyl, and much more. Now, for you guys out there that may be still wondering, what's the difference or why would I use this versus a product like Total Interior or Inner Clean? Well, all 3 products offer 3 different levels of cleaning and finishes. So with the product like Inner Clean, it does work on virtually all of your interior surfaces. However, Inner Clean delivers a more OEM sheen. So it's gonna deliver more of a shine kind of factor to your interior surfaces. So if that's what you like, Inner Clean's a great product. And then if your interior does need more of a deeper cleaning, Total Interior actually has a deeper cleaning level than HydroInterior. So if you need that extra clean, go with Total Interior. And the thing about Total Interior is that it delivers no shine at all. And if you're looking for a product that has a great cleaning ability and does not alter the overall look of the surface besides, restoring that matte OEM finish and leaves behind a ceramic layer of protection, then HydroInterior is what you're looking for. All right, guys, and there you guys have it. HydroInterior, the newest ceramic in our Hydro line of products. So if you guys are looking for the perfect product to maintain your interior and give it that ceramic UV protection, HydroInterior is where it's at. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you guys want to pick up your bottle of HydroInterior, make sure to visit our website right now, chemicalguys.com, or swing by your local Detail Garage store. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time on the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.